Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Grey account with your Payoneer account. All right. And for those who don't know what is Grey account is a virtual payment system in which you can receive money in either US dollars, in pounds, and in euros. And we all know that if you're a freelancer in Africa, you will need to have a dollar account or a pounds account or an euro account for you to be able to receive money from your international clients. All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Grey account with your Payoneer so that you can, once you receive the money from your Payoneer account, you can send it directly into your Grey account. All right. So kindly watch this video to the end so that you are not going to miss out on these steps. And also, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Creative Entrepreneur channel where we share information on how you can make money online. I also share information about remote job opportunities and business growth. All right. So kindly subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Turn off the notification bell so that once I drop videos like this, you are not going to miss out on such opportunities. All right, so let's head right on. So this is how the dashboard of the Grey look like. So I'm just going to put you through. So once you sign up, yeah, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. So in your own case, you don't have a dollar account, so you are going to click on this point. You see the United States dollar, British pounds, euro, and Nigeria. So you are going to click it, and once you click it, it will ask you what to if you want to create a dollar account. So you are going to click and create a dollar account. So once you click and create a dollar account, you are going to be given an account number. All right, so that account number is a dollar account number. It will come with your name, with the bank, the account number, and the routing number. So that is what you are going to see. So I'm going to show you a sample of what I'm trying to say. All right, so once you click this point, you are going to see the account number. Can you see the routing number, the wire routing, and when you click here, you're going to see the bank. All right, so you can see the bank is Lead Bank, and look at the US bank address. So that is how you can get this account number. So once you apply, you have to apply to get the United States dollar account. If not, it's not going to give given to you. And mind you, you need to verify what we call the KYC. And what is KYC? KYC is know your customers. All right, so the app wants to know who they are dealing with. All right, so you have to input your personal information in order to for your account to be verified, and it's fast to verify on Grey. All right, so just follow the steps that I'll be highlighting in this video. So this is how the account number is on the platform. All right, so let me log out so that I will show you how you can sign up. So I'm going to log out. So right, so this is how the interface is going to look like once you download the app. All right, so you can either go download the app on your Google Play Store, or you can download the app on your iOS store. So either of the one that is available for you, then you can download it. All right, so I'm going to drop the link in order for you to have access to this app. All right, so you're just going to click on the link and to take you to your app on where you are going to download it. So it will be very easy for you to get that. So once you want to create an account, you're going to click create account, and also on the country tab here, you're going to see Nigeria. So, and also we have other countries that are available to apply on Grey. All right, can you see that? So if your country is listed among the countries over here on this app, that means you are eligible to apply for a Grey account. All right, you can see Algeria, Angola, Argentina, Austria, Bangladesh, Belgium, Benin Republic, Brazil, and Bulgaria, so and so on. All right, so if you're a Nigerian and you're watching this video, so you just click on Nigeria, you click on continue, then you proceed. So these are the basic information that you need. First name as it appears on your ID card. So let's say you have a driver's license. What is your first name on your driver's license, what is your middle name, and what is your surname. If you are using a national ID card, so you follow the process in which it is being written on your ID card. All right, then you put your middle name and your surname, what is your gender, your email address, your phone number, and if you have a referral code, you input a referral code of your friends or family. So once you continue, you are going to be sent a verification on your email address. So follow those processes and you are good to go. All right, so that is how you can sign up on Grey. So let me head right on to my Payoneer account so that I can show you how you can easily link your bank account that is given to you on Grey with your Payoneer account. All right, I'm going to log in. You're going to click over here. So once you click, you're going to go to bank account. So you can see we have 2 bank accounts activated. All right, so if you previously have a Payoneer account, Payoneer usually give old users that has Payoneer account a US bank account, which is a dollar account number. All right, so in your own case, if you are just registering on Payoneer, you are not going to be given such account number. So that is why we are linking the dollar account number with Payoneer. All right, so in your own case, if you have a dollar account number on Payoneer, which is the old Payoneer account, you don't need what I'm explaining in this video. Right, so how do you get started? You're just going to click on the plus sign over here. Right, load. So you can see it's showing bank country. All right, so we are going to include, we are not using a Nigerian bank because it's a dollar account number, so we are going to go and write United States. All right, depending on it can be United Kingdom, it can be British account number. So you're going to input the bank account currency, which is USD. All right, so after that, after you've input this important information, you are going to click on next. So let's wait for it. So you can see, so this is you have to enter the account details. So see, this is the points that you need to be very careful. So the bank name that is given to you on Grey, let's say it is Lead Bank, just like the one I showed you. You are going to input Lead Bank. All right, then the account holder, who is the account holder? You are the account holder to that account. So you are going to input the name, that your full name as the account holder to that account. All right, then the account number that is given to you on Grey, you are going to input it over here. All right, you can see over here, you are going to input the account number, then the routing number that is given to you on Grey. And make sure you know that routing number is different from the wire number. So make sure that it's the same routing number that is given to you on Grey that you input as the routing number. Right, then the account type, most times it used to be what checkings account, but in your own case, if your own is savings account, you're going to input it as savings account. So after that, you're going to click on confirm. So if all this information are completed, you're going to click on next. Then you can now add bank account. All right, your bank account, it will be shown over here. All right, it will be shown, it will be activated. You see, so you are going to receive an email on your Payoneer account telling you that your account has been active. All right, so that same account number, you are going to input it on the platform that is needed needed the account information, the account details. All right, so you are going to input your bank name, your name, then the account number and the routing number. on that platform rather. All right, so once you're done with that, then it has successfully link. So once you receive money on your Payoneer account, you can now send the money from your Payoneer account, because you already have a dollar bank account, into your Grey account. So it's so easy. So if you have any questions regarding this video, just kindly go to the comment section and ask me any question regarding this. Then I'm going to be there to put you through. So thank you for patiently watching to the end. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, kindly click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Goodbye.